I'm Corbin with Quietscapes, and I'm here at a property in Jefferson. This customer wanted to completely blow out their entire backyard, and we had free range to do what we needed to do to make their property look amazing. They had a couple of requirements that they wanted. They wanted a playground space that was safe for their kids. They wanted nice grass that was like walking on carpet, because back here it used to just be dirt, more dirt than grass. Remove all the bushes and everything in the landscape and make it wide open so the kids can run around and play, kick balls, play football, soccer, whatever they want to do. So let me show you what we designed for them and what we put together to fit their budget and make this place come out to be a beautiful backyard. First off, we've got Zeon zoysia as the grass back here, and it looks fantastic. There is no better grass than Zeon zoysia grass. This stuff can take the Georgia heat. It doesn't require a lot of water to keep it green once it's established, and it's so thick of a turf that it really doesn't let the weeds touch the soil and start to grow or anything. So you get this golf course-like lawn out of this thing. It is a little bit more of a premium for the grass. Bermuda's definitely a lot cheaper, but if you're looking for A1 and you want to run around out here on shoes and feel like you're on padded carpet in the house, there is nothing better than Zeon zoysia. So out here in the distance, we did a play-safe playground for the kids. So all of this is certified as if it was built for a public park. So they've got the plastic playground borders right here that the kids can walk on. If they fall, hit their head or anything, it's going to be safe. Nobody's going to get hurt. The mulch is put in at the proper thickness for the highest point that a child could fall in this area. They did provide the swing sets or whatnot. They found these cool swing sets on the internet that fit their budget, so we went ahead and got those, or the customer got those for us, so we could put everything together here and give them the ultimate playground for their kids. Put in mulch around the tree, kind of cleaned up some of the borders on both sides of the yard by putting in mulch. We've got these Napoli stepping stones right here for a natural walkway that's going to lead us up here to the back porch. It's just something easy. They didn't want a full-blown walkway right here. They just wanted something that after it rained and the kids want to play, the dog or whatever, you know, they could step on these and keep their feet dry without getting the bottom of their feet muddy. The nicest part about this backyard is this big patio addition on the back. So you're going to notice a trend with a lot of our videos, but this is Belgard Diamond Pro, and it's carriage house again. That's right. I told you, carriage house is our #1 stone. It matches everybody's house. They don't even have brick. They have this green color with the beige trim on it, and it complements super well. So if you're unsure about what wall block to go with, there's another prime example of where carriage house really ties everything together. We did a light kit on this house, so the steps have lights built into them, and then there's I think 2 lights or 3 lights on this side, and there's a light on this side that kind of lights up the grass. So even when the kids are playing at nighttime, when these lights kick on, it illuminates the grass and stuff for them, so they've got a nice little play area. So we'll come up here onto the back patio. This is going to be Origins 12. I believe this is Belgian is the color. And then we did a graphite border. This border is a little bit different than some of the other ones that we've been showing you. This one has the pillow top textured because this particular Origins does have the pillow top texture on it as well. So this stone is to mimic real stone and give it that real natural kind of look to it, but also being a man-made product. The patio's been sealed. This was built about 8 months ago, 9 months ago when this yard was completed. So after their 3-month period, they wanted us to come back and go ahead and seal it to preserve the color. And again, the foot traffic from the dogs and the kids and stuff don't add any of that Georgia clay staining to the patio to preserve the finish and make it look good for years and years to come. So they got a grill space, they've got a table space, and then this area right here, they were thinking about maybe doing a fire pit that they could buy from Home Depot or something, like a metal one or whatnot like that. And then they'll put some chairs around it. They're not real sure what they want to do with this space yet. But this is a great example of what our design team can do for you when you've got a backyard that just needs to be blown out, it's overgrown, grass is looking horrible, but you have these different key features and these different things that you really want to incorporate into your space. We hear you, and we really try to give you all the wants and desires of everything that you were looking for to fit your budget, whether it's simplistic or it's a very extravagant design and layout with outdoor living spaces. But just wanted to give you guys a look at this place. We wanted to come check it out, see how everything's holding up since we're getting closer to that 1-year mark. Customer's super pleased, talking about maybe doing something in the front yard now. So if you've got a project at your house that you're wanting to do, whether it's sod or bushes, or you want a kid playground that's play safe for your kids so you don't have to worry about them getting hurt, retaining walls, patios, outdoor kitchens, we've got you covered here at QuietScapes. Give us a call, 678-824-2234, or visit our website at quietscapes.com. You can fill out a request form there for service, and then we'll have somebody reach out from our office to set an appointment with you. We'd be happy to help you out. We'd love to hear about what problems you have or what you want to design and do for your property. That's what we're here for, that's what we live for, and we're eager to get out there and serve you. So check out the website, give us a call. Check out our Instagram, our Facebook, and our YouTube page. You can watch other videos of projects like this. We talk about the different products we use in all these videos, so that way you know the colors and some of the designs and stuff that we've done in the past. Maybe something like this is what you need for your house, or the back of your house layout just like this. We can do something very similar. So give us a call. We look forward to hearing from you, and we'll see you in the next video.